Perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning.
I love you, dog!
Happy birthday, Raven!
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible, oh my god.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo.
Where's my chicken?
This chicken?
Where's my pink sweater?
This pink sweater?
Where's my boyfriend?
This pink sweater?
Cannonball! Come on, jump in!
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
I'm ducking and everything. Died in the house. I got scared. I dropped my hot pocket.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon. Inside a watermelon.
Bacon and syrup.
I'm not finished. Let's get started.
We'll grab
First
the
off,
toaster.
oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966.